Ritu. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. You are a gem of a girl and remain like that only. God bless you, Ritu.
Hi Ritu, wish you a wonderful birthday. Have a super year ahead and wish you all the happiness.
Hi, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a good one.
Hi Ritu, many happy returns of the day. I wish I was there today. It was your special birthday. But still, you must remember one thing, I'm your younger brother. And enjoy.
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you and we appreciate you so much, even if we don't show it as much as we should. And
I appreciate whatever you've done to both of us. And you're the best cook in the world. And you're the cool parent in the house.
if only you pass it on to him. And we are so grateful for everything you've done for us. So many, many happy returns of the day. And have a great day. We love you.
Yeah.
Okay.
मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फिरते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे
Happy birthday, Ritu. Hope you're having a great day. Looking forward to meeting up with you in Dubai soon. Bye.
Hi Purnima, wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday. It's such a pleasure being a part of your birthday celebration. Although we've not met since so many years, but I still remember those sweet dimples on your cheeks. And the best part is you still look as charming as you used to look before. So anyways, hope you have a memorable birthday and a rocking year ahead. And wish you all the best. Good luck, goodbye and take care.
Hi Purnima, wish you many, many, many happy returns of the day. I'm so glad I could connect with you. God bless you and just keep on spreading the joy and happiness which you ever do with your presence. Love you so much. Have a very blessed year. Thank you. Bye.
Dearest Ritu, a very, very, very happy birthday. A very happy birthday for completing the best 50 years I'm on this planet. And you've made my world so special by being my friend. I genuinely, really, really, really love you from the bottom of my heart. And all that I will wish is the very best for you. Ritu, may all your dreams, all your aspirations, everything that you ever longed for, may it all come true. God bless. Very, very happy birthday once again, my dearest friend.
Hi Purnima, happy 50th birthday my dear friend. I can't believe that you are turning 50 because you actually really don't look like one. Though we were in the same school, we actually became friends only in college. I still remember all the fun that we had in college, the giggling, the laughing, the silly talks. We had such a wonderful time. And thank you for being such a wonderful friend to me all these years. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the surprise that people have planned for you. God bless you always and have a great day and enjoy. Bye.
Hi Purnima, a very happy birthday to you. A very happy and a healthy life. May your second innings be even more wonderful than your first innings in life. Anyways, Purnima, what I remember in school that you were such a sorted, organized and such a soft-spoken person. A complete opposite of me. but I'm sure you still must be the same sweet old self that you were in school. Uh, a special mention about your friends who've been commendable in their efforts in organizing all of us together. You're a very lucky person, Purnima. And yeah, this one's for you. आ देखे जरा किसमें कितना है दम, जम के रखना कदम मेरे साथिया. This was not my idea. It was your friends' ideas. Anyways, take care and good luck. Bye.
Hi Purnima, a very happy 50th birthday to you. I'm so happy that I can be here to wish you a happy 50th and welcome you to the 50s Club. In thinking about what I would say for your birthday, I started digging through memory lane and found a book from, I guess, our 10th grade where we were writing a little snippets for each other. And here's your writing. I'm going to read a couple of things from here. In asking you who is your best friend, male and female. Male, you had question marks. I wonder who it was. And for female, it was Twinkle Dholakia. Then talking about your favorite food. Oh my gosh, when I read this, I had to stop for a minute. Fried octopus with pig's eyes and snake tail sprinkled with sawdust. Oh, okay. Not sure if you're eating that now. And then asking you your favorite place. You said it was a throwball court and snowmans. Oh my gosh, those were just wonderful days. Remember all our time with March Past and snowball and going to snowmans and Miss Valdaris and practice. Those are just some beautiful memories, and so enjoyed being a part of the same class and knowing you for so long. So very, very happy 50th. Have fun. Have a memorable birthday. Bye.
Hola. Thanks to this lovely group of friends, I have the opportunity of sharing a special message with you. Well, I hope they do what they promised and remove the double chin and the wrinkles. So here goes. My dear Bella Purnima, have a fabulous birthday. My wish is your day is surrounded by these gorgeous friends, your loved ones, and they make the day as special as you are. And it is an important milestone. Well, we met in our formative years, and I thank you for being my dear friend, that warm, kind-hearted person, and gosh, what fun we had. We laughed, we danced, we sang, we started movies, so much fun. Well, from there to these golden years, I hope you never ever change, because you're that constant reminder of what true friends ought to be. And make the day last as long as you can. Have a fabulous birthday, and to good times. Cheers, my friend.
Hi Purnima, happy 50th birthday. It's so nice to wish you after so many years, thanks to your Dubai friends. Well, this brought back loads of memories of those beautiful times we have shared at school. The smiles, the laughters, the giggles, sitting at the same desk together. And yeah, Rivka's video today that I did happen to see about her snapbook and saying best friend Twinkle Dholakia felt so good after so many years all over again. But wishing you a wonderful, wonderful time, and I hope you have wonderful years ahead. A little wish for you. हो पूरी दिल की हर ख्वाहिश, हो पूरी दिल की हर ख्वाहिश और मिले खुशियों का जहां आपको. अगर आप मांगे आसमां का एक तारा, खुदा दे दे आपको आसमां सारा. Happy birthday all over again.
Hi Purnima, wish you a happy birthday. It's your 50th and it means a lot. You can ask me because I just turned 50 and I know how it feels now. you really feel golden from top to bottom. Though you have silvers in your hair, but still you will feel golden. And everybody around you will definitely make you feel 50. So just start digesting the fact that you have turned 50, though you don't feel 50, and we Villatricians will never feel our age. We're always young at heart. So once again, happy golden 50th birthday. Cheers.
Hi Purnima, how are you? Your birthday should be remembered, so I'm wearing this mask and wishing you many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed. And one more thing. Can you guess what is this? Sejal's favorite. You can scroll on your WhatsApp. Bye. See you.
That when you grow, you will pursue acting as a career, but I'm quite surprised that you haven't, and I just want to tell you that it's never too late. You can still become an actress, still take up acting with your kind of face, with your kind of talent. I think you do need to give it a try. Also, it was lovely connecting with you when you came to Bombay. I know it's not going to be easy and not going to be so soon that we meet again, but there are different ways of connecting, with each other, and I hope we keep the sparks alive. And wishing you once again, have a blast, enjoy, make the most of your birthday, make the most of this golden year, which obviously is never going to come again. And cheers. Hi Purnima, wishing you a very happy golden birthday, and hoping that it's the best one till date. I firstly wanted to thank all your Dubai friends for making such brilliant effort in bringing us all together, to make this day special. It is definitely completing another milestone, and personally I feel that age is just a number, and 50 is the new 30, so you can just go out and want things, be selfish, be naughty, and have a blast. Fortunately or unfortunately, because of this corona and the lockdown, we have got ample of time now to pursue our passions which we had left behind because of various reasons, bringing up the kids, or could be your personal work, whatever. But now is a time when we can pursue our passions, because the kids have grown, they don't need us 24/7, and moving outdoors has become just kind of impossible. So whatever you can do at home to relive those memories that we left behind, and to relive those moments that we really wanted to at times, right now is the time, right now. Also, when you were in school, I always felt that you were this cute, bubbly kid, full of energy, and you were so multi-talented and such a brilliant actress that I always felt that when you grow, you will
smile, wipe away all your tears, all your fears, all your frowns, and laugh, 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 laugh a while. I, Purnima, wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to the most beautiful, caring and wonderful sister. You are not only my sister, you're my best friend. No one understands me more than you. Whenever I have to gossip or crib about anyone, it's only you I can call. And even if I have to crib about you, I have to call you only. No one understands me really, Purnima, more than you. They say you can pick your friends, but not your family. So I'm so blessed to have a wonderful sister, a wonderful friend for a sister like you. I also cherish all our childhood memories, you, me and Nitin. What a blast we had. I really wish the happiness, joy and everything, whatever you wish for, I really wish for you on your birthday. Remember, Purnima, you have an amazing caring and responsible elder sister. But anyway, today is your day, so you take all the glory. Have a blast, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Ritu Akka. Wish you a happy birthday and many more candles and a cake big enough to fit all of them.
Hi Ritu, wish you very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ritu.
May God bless you.
It's your birthday.
We all miss you.
We all love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ritu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Ritu. Stay happy and healthy always. Have a nice day.